Hello Microsoft, my name is Soumya Agarwal and this is my video demo for Microsoft Engage 2022. This year we were given 3 challenges, that is face recognition, data analysis and algorithms. After a lot of research, I decided to build a face recognition based attendance system which helps to eliminate the current conventional attendance system which is taken manually. I decided to divide my project into 3 sprints according to the agile methodology which I came across through the Microsoft Engage website. During the first week, I researched about the various face APIs available and decided to stick to JavaScript face API, decided the functionalities and the basic UI, learned about React routes and how to work with database and how to connect my front end with backend. I designed the registration form along with capture retake functionality and went through various tutorials to understand how face recognition works. During the second week, I implemented the student and faculty login feature, user authentication, generating unique authentication code and validating it, sending emails to NodeMailer, detecting and matching student face, etc. During this phase, I encountered numerous bugs which I tried my best to debug them timely. I also implemented the edit profile feature, home page and about page. During the third week, I implemented viewing the daily as well as date-wise attendance sheet, sending email to absentees and developed a unique chat box feature on both faculty and student side. I also implemented logout functionality and finalized the UI of my project to make it more eye-pleasing and various other functionalities. Now let's move forward to the final project demo. This is the homepage of the website. It has 2 modules, student and the faculty. This is the about section of the project. It provides face scanning and is very user friendly. The student needs to register through the registration form by filling in the details. The student also needs to capture the image which will be used later on at the time of marking the attendance. Student can also retake image if he wants. Now, after registration, the passwords should also match. After successful registration, the student can now log in. Similarly, the faculty also needs to register by filling in all the details correctly. After successful registration, the faculty can also log in. This is the student login page. The credentials should match. Now, after successful login, the student profile page appears showing his image as well as all the other details. The student can also edit profile. Similarly, the faculty also needs to log in, and after successful login, the faculty profile page appears showing the details. The faculty can also edit profile. Now the faculty needs to generate a unique authentication code by entering the subject and the code which will be used by the student to mark attendance. Also, the code will be valid for only 2 minutes and the student has to mark attendance. The faculty can also send an email to all the students of the department to mark the attendance by sending in the details. Now the student needs to mark the attendance by entering the correct authentication code. If a student enters the wrong code, he cannot mark the attendance. If a student enters the correct code, a webcam will open which will detect student face and match their face and mark the attendance automatically. Now, the faculty can view the daily attendance sheet by entering the subject name. He can also send a direct email to all the students who were absent in the class. An email appears to the student who is absent in the class. Now the faculty can also view the date-wise attendance sheet as well as the number of lectures attended by each student as well as the percentage of their attendance. The faculty can also chat with any of the students of the department by selecting their contact. Similarly, the student can also chat with any of the faculties of the department by just selecting any of the name. Also, you can see that the chats are retained. Now, the faculty can log out as well as the student can log out. Now, if a student tries to mark the attendance after 2 minutes, he or she will not be able to mark it and time is expired. This was my demo. Thank you.